Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 3LT, competition seat, 7-speed, navigation, red painted calipers, black wheels. Wow, love the color. That's awesome. So in the trunk here, lots of room. When the top is up, you will have much more room because this folds down, and where that top is currently will be up, so you'll have all of that space there available in your trunk. So let me just put this back up so that the top will move again when I go to put the top up for you and show you that. So there we are, that's locked into place. Down in here we have a onboard storage compartment. Have a look in the seams. Wow, beautiful car, just 9,000 kilometers, so nearly new. Have a look here. This is the metallic paint, carbon flash metallic, which is on the spoiler, on the mirrors, and on the front hood. On the let me not go past this wheel. Black painted wheels, red painted calipers. We've painted the rotors, done it all up, just beautiful. Looks great, doesn't it? Great tires, just 9,000 kilometers. Great seats. Again, those are the competition GT seats with the carbon fiber inserts and the Alcantara suede. It's got the Alcantara suede headliner, and the A-pillar is Alcantara as well. Have a look in the door frames, just like brand new. Beautiful. And we'll look in the glove box, and yes, the books are there, so you'll be able to read up on how to operate it. This is the passenger's heated seat, cooled seat, and temperature adjustment. Bose sound system. Wow, just a beauty. What a great car. And again, the mirrors are carbon flash, as you can see there. So close that, and we'll check out the other front wheel. It's got the blacked out emblem. The Stingray emblem is blacked out. It's got the black wheels with the red painted calipers, no curb rash, no issues, just like brand new. It's got the dry sump oil in there, the 465 horsepower engine mated with the 7-speed transmission with the dual mode exhaust. It's got the hood mat just like brand new. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, beautiful. So carbon flash right there. Beautiful front end, just looking absolutely gorgeous. Fabulous. Do I see any stone chips? Well, I can't see anything, but I'm sure there's a stone chip somewhere there. Must be, wouldn't you think? I don't see any though. So there you go. Beautiful looking car. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, nice painted calipers, painted rotors, black wheels. There's your blacked out Stingray on this side as well. The carbon flash mirror, as I pointed out earlier. And the rear wheel, ditto, same thing. Painted calipers, painted rotors, blacked out wheels, no curb rash. Looking absolutely fabulous. On the driver's door here, we have power locks, memory seats, power windows, Bose stereo. Down here we have the multi-functions for the driver's seat, same as the passenger. So it's got lumbar, power recliner, power side bolsters, and there you see the seats with that beautiful carbon fiber inserts there, looking gorgeous. Here's the Alcantara on the headliner as well on the visors, and the Alcantara steering wheel. So really nice setup. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice. Wow. So it has 9,591 kilometers. Just a thing of beauty. Now, of course, it has rev match. It has your cruise control on the steering wheel, favorites down here for your station, volume for your radio. Up here are all the controls for the dash so that we can change the dash, add info, add performance pages right there. So we can do a performance dash and add gauges. It's got lots of little features like that. Voice control, there's your push button start, the carbon fiber dash that you see there, navigation. This opens and closes so you can put your phone in there, and you see the USB in the back, plug it in, put your phone in there, get no ticket. Great program. And super sound system, heated and cooled seats, dual zone air conditioning, all the stuff. So yes, it has a backup camera, as you see there. And then we've got the mode adjustment here so that we can adjust that to sport or track up here and change the exhaust. Fabulous. Wow, that's awesome. So underneath here is your line in and USB and power outlet right there, and looking absolutely gorgeous. Frameless rear view mirror, OnStar, all the goodies. So I'm going to jump out. Let me just show you the doors I'm getting out there. And this button right here operates the power top, and I'll get you to watch the power top with me, how that operates. Pretty slick, eh? And we'll just put the power windows up and have a look at that now. Gorgeous. What a great color combination. I didn't quite close that hood well enough because I didn't want to slam it, but sometimes that's the best way, is just to let it go. But I'll close it later. Good looking car. And there's the quadruport exhaust. That is a ginormous exhaust. And if you've got 3.0 or 5.1 surround sound, you listen to that at home. That is a chug. That is awesome. Good looking car from the back, the side, the front, everywhere. No damage, no history, no issues. Canadian car, just 9,900 kilometers. 2015 Corvette Z51 3LT convertible. Here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.